Today's subject is any question about fungus toenail, and from the beginning to the end, okay? And then most people think fungus grow at the damp area and the dirty area, so we may think, okay, this fungus toenail because we have not washed it, feet, properly or not enough. But all the textbooks define this is caused by heat. It's not germ or virus, okay? This is not fungus, by the heat. That is, the acupuncture theory, okay? Sometimes you notice that, sometimes, there is a white color. Some of them is toenail color is, yellow. Some of them is black color, okay? The white color is usually shows not enough blood in there, okay? Then a yellow color shows that you may have diabetes. So you gotta watch about your diabetes about that. Then third one is usually black color. Black color means you gotta watch about your liver and your kidney function become something wrong. That is about the color. Then the type, okay? And some of them is, it's fragile, it's easily broken. And then what that means is because of heat, okay? So I mentioned about, the cause is heat, but not only just heat, but also other things affected. Most acupuncturists talk about qi and blood often, but in this case, in the beginning, the blood, and the next one is qi, okay? I am going to explain this one by one. Now, look at this one carefully over here, okay? Then you see over here that is hangnail there. Then this hangnail over there is usually solid and firm. And some of them, as you can see, is in the middle of the fingernail over here. But some of them it shows here end of the fingernail. What's the difference? In the middle of the fingernail is you have more heat. Then so it shows up early. Then at the end of the fingernail is, you have a heat, but compared to the first one, it's less heat, shows. So then we see that those hangnail, it's something on the way over here, and usually very solid and firm, and if you try to pull out, then you make kind of a wound. So it's better careful use fingernail cutter and remove that. That's a safe way, okay? Now let's say this is wood, okay? And there is a fire in here. If there is a fire, then obviously because of fire, and this area become dry. Now, assuming this part is this wood, and there's a fire in here, I want to distinguish here. Then when I try to under the ground scratch off like this one, then the burning part usually easily come up. What that means is when there is a fire, then this becomes fragile. That's why this fingernail or toenail are easily broken because of fire, and that's why it become dry. That's what happened. Now, the most part we talk about is usually this way. Okay, then we talk about the hangnail, two spot, and sometimes the flesh here become also become dry. So when you scratch up this one, then it's easily come off. That's because of fire and become dry. Now, the question next is which shows RIDGES, okay, and like this lining here, like riches, okay. Now, this is because of there is energy to push it out. However, what this shows is there is a less nutrition, especially this is blood. So this shows is a blood deficiency, and so that's why on this one is looks like just like this one, like riches, okay? And most important thing is this one is the less blood in the liver function. Okay? Then sometimes from the beginning, there is something deep inside, and then when you look at the side, there is like this one, and from the beginning, coming up like this one, and this is grow. Then just like this one could show that. And what this means is this is could not push out because of blood deficiency, and even though chi could not push forward. So the original cause is heat, second cause is blood, third cause is chi. So we know now the heat is number one cause. Now, when you look at the fingernail, then when you trim the there, then it doesn't make a smell. But when you make a toenail, usually the smell is so bad because it grows slowly from the heart to this one. Then it's less. So we can send the blood over here fast enough, but from the heart to the toe, it's taking a double time. So that's why, taking a longer time to reach over there. Therefore, the toenail grow slowly. If this toenail grow fast enough, there is no time fungus can grow. Unfortunately, the toenail grows slowly. That's why fungus can grow over there. So that is related with chi and blood. Okay, so we are talking about the cause of finger nail or toenail. That is because of chi. Number one, the heat is number one. Second one is chi and blood. Now we are going to talk about the next issue, that what kind of acupuncture point for, and also what kind of herb is good for this fungus toenail. Okay, thanks so much for your watching.